Dear viewers, Drishti IS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Children's Climate Risk Index UNICEF. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The United Nations Children's Fund, that is UNICEF, in collaboration with Fridays for Future, launched a report named The Climate Crisis is a Child Rights Crisis, introducing the Children's Climate Risk Index. It is the first comprehensive analysis of climate risk from a child's perspective. Earlier, an analysis based on Notre Dame Global Adaptation Initiative, that is ND GAIN Index, had shown the impact of climate change on children across the world. Now moving on to the key points. This is the first climate report to combine high-resolution geographic maps detailing global environmental and climate impacts with maps. It shows regions where children are vulnerable due to an array of stressors, including poverty and lack of access to education, healthcare, or clean water. Moreover, the report found that 850 million children, approximately one-third of the world's child population, are exposed to 4 or more stressors. Almost every single child on the planet has been exposed to at least one climate or environmental stressors, such as air pollution, flooding, heat waves, tropical storms, flooding, or drought. Now let's discuss about the Children's Climate Risk Index, that is CCRI. The new Children's Climate Risk Index, that is CCRI, is a composite index that ranks nations based on children's exposure to climate shocks such as cyclones and heat waves, as well as their vulnerability to these shocks based on their access to essential services. It provides the first comprehensive look at how exactly children are affected by the climate crisis, offering a roadmap for policymakers seeking to prioritize action based on those who are most at risk. Pakistan 14th, Bangladesh 15th, Afghanistan 15th, and India 26th are among 4th South Asian countries where children are at extremely high risk of the impacts of the climate crisis. Now moving on to the practice question. The Children's Climate Risk Index recently in news is released by which of the following organizations? A. United Nations Environment Programme or UNEP. B. UNICEF. C. Global Environment Facility, that is GEF, or Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, that is IPCC. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IS Hindi YouTube channel.